Oscarling a chord and ní fada go memi de din of our trial. He so yaskadi Droichead Átha for the Fleadh. Padraic, you're massively involved down there. Tell us, what can we expect?
Oh, it's going to be epic. Big crack more rugging in Droichead Átha. So many people have been waiting for this Fleadh to come to Droichead. It's 7 years in the oven and it's finally about to be delivered, and you are going to get such an amazing welcome in Droichead. By the banks of the Boyne, we're going to have some crack.
Okay, well there you haven't built up much, no pressure there. But what if you had to say now 2 unmissable events, what would they be?
Look, we've 40 different concerts or something like that, crazy. But for me, there's 2 special moments. Bioga with Frankie Gavin in a toast to the Flanagan Brothers on the Tuesday night, the 14th. And then a really special County Louth moment, which is Zoe Conway with the RT Concert Orchestra and the absolutely brilliant Bill Whelan, Donal Lully, John McIntyre, it's going to be Mick O'Brien. It's going to be a really fantastic occasion. Tickets for all those are still available. Get onto our website, FleadhTV. But do come to Droichead. There's some atmosphere here tonight in Castlewellan. There's been great atmospheres at all the provincials, and to see it all rolling into Droichead, into our town, via the Boyne, it's going to be cracking.
I'm telling you, it sounds like it. I'm looking forward to it myself. And there's a load of young people around us here now, and if they want to go down and get something from it, what's there for them?
That's right, the Scoláiste, the workshops for all the great musicians of the future. There's still places available if you want to bring your family down, all your children down, to be mentored by the very best in the world. You can do that, and there's, we still have houses available, still accommodation available. Come to Droichead for your holidays, get to learn all those instruments even better, and have a whale of a time as well, seeing all the acts during the night time. So get onto the website, FleadhTV for Scoláiste also.
Oh, fantastic. Well, I saw one of the Scoláiste teachers wandering around there, Kevin Glackton, and he says he's
any good, that fella, is he?
Oh, well, it's debatable. But look, I do, yeah, indeed. He's my dad, but he'll be there. So we actually managed to get down to Droichead there a few weeks ago, and we...
Did you get a good welcome?
Oh, we did. It was fantastic.
Excellent.
We did, yeah, we met with the No Snua, the Louth Youth Folk Orchestra. I have to get that one right. But they put together this special performance for us, so Féach Gíorsa.